Good morning, everyone. So, this is for class 6, subject computer. So, student, today we are going to start the first chapter. It's named after computer fundamentals. You can see, before I start taking the class, I request you to get your books out and open your chapter number first and just follow it. Okay. Now, in this chapter, we will learn about the IPO cycle, role of memory in computer, working of a computer, then main memory, then inside the computer, and classification of computers. So let's start with IPO cycle. Now you can see in this chapter we will learn about IPO cycle. All of us we know that the full form of IPO is input, processing, output, cycle. Now in this IPO cycle, the computer works in 3 stages. Now what is that? That is input. First, input devices, we input several things like through keyboard and mouse. Then it goes to the CPU. You can see number 2 where the CPU starts processing. Next 3, that is output, and we get the results from output like from monitor or from printer. So I hope all of you understand about the IPO cycle. IPO cycle, it's a computer. You see it is written in your book. A computer can process data very fast. It first takes the data as input, process it according to the given instructions, and then gives an output. In short, we can say that every computer follows an input, process, output cycle or IPO cycle. Now here we have already taught you that what is IPO cycle and how it works. Fine. Now next come to the what is there inside the CPU. You see in your book page number 4 it is written, inside the computer there is CPU. Have you seen the picture? Here is the picture. Have you seen? Fine. Now you see inside the CPU you will find motherboard, next sound card, hard disk, RAM and ROM. Okay. Now it is also called, the CPU is also called the brain of computers. Okay, the CPU has 2 main components. Basically, the CPU has 2 main components. What are they? One component is arithmetic and logical unit, that is called in short form ALU, and the next one is control unit, that is CU in short form. Fine. So already we came to know what is there inside the CPU. Inside that CPU there is motherboard, sound card, hard disk, RAM and ROM. Fine. Now CPU is also called a brain of computer. Fine. Okay, the CPU has 2 main components also. What are they? Basically, one is arithmetic and logic unit, that is ALU, and another one is control unit, that is CU. Now further we will learn about in detail about arithmetic and logical unit and control unit. Before we start learning about these 2 things, let us remember some short form or things to remember. Here you see MICR. You can see it is written in your book also in the first page. What does MICR stands for? That is magnetic ink character reader. Another one is OMR, that is optical mark reader. Did you get? Once again I am telling you, MICR, that is magnetic ink character reader, and another one is OMR, that is optical mark reader. Now, before I told you that the CPU has two main components. You can see arithmetic and logical unit, and another one is control unit. Now let's start about